Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X6 battery. First, gather your battery charger and safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and parked on a level surface. Safety is paramount, so always wear your protective equipment before starting any work on the battery. This preparation ensures a safe and effective charging process for your vehicle. Now, let's connect the charger. Open your hood and locate the designated positive and negative charging terminals, usually marked with plus and minus signs. First, securely attach the red positive clamp from your charger to the positive terminal. Next, connect the black negative clamp to the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are firm to ensure proper current flow and prevent sparks. With the charger connected, plug it into a power outlet and select the correct charging mode. Many modern chargers have smart modes for different battery types. Allow the battery to charge fully. This could take several hours depending on its discharge level and charger output. Once complete, unplug the charger, then disconnect the negative clamp first, followed by the positive clamp. To maintain your BMW X6 battery's health, regularly inspect the terminals for corrosion and keep them clean. If you plan to store your vehicle for an extended period, consider using a trickle charger to prevent deep discharge. This helps prolong battery life and ensures your X6 is ready when you are. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a fantastic book on money and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.